Hi everyone, my name is Natalie Aiello. I'm logging in this year from cold and snowy Pennsylvania, and I'm going to be a presenter at the National Kids Yoga Conference. My presentation is going to be on grant writing for kids yoga programs. I have experience in writing grants. I've worked for a nonprofit for more than 10 years, and currently I am working as a kids yoga instructor in my community. So some of the things that we're going to learn about are the grant writing process and the best ways that we can really sell our programs to the funders that we're looking at. We're going to take a look at collaborative opportunities because a lot of our programs may not be nonprofit. And we're also going to go through the grant writing process. So everybody who takes this workshop is going to leave with a rough draft of something that they'll hopefully be able to submit to secure some funding for their community programs. I'm looking very forward to this conference, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in April.